Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zahra Aamalia KHAIRUNNISA, name 8320010029. In this video, I will explain about short simple functional text notice. First, definition of notice. Notice is defined as advance notification or warning. People usually use notice to give information, instruction, or warning. That's why in the notice, people use a simple word with a simple font which is written in placard or notice board. Second, social function of notice. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. In social communication, there are many functions or purpose of notice text. They are used to give an instruction, to give information, to give direction, to ask people to advise, to suggest, to recommend people to remind people to warn, and to ban. The function of notice. First, prohibition notifies people not to do something. People may find this kind of notice in public places. Second, caution or warning warns people to be careful in handling something. Ignoring the notice may cause injury or breaking the facilities. Third, notice give information to people to do something appropriately. 4. The informational notice provide information that could be useful for people. Third, generic structure. Generic structure of notice. The general structure of short functional text is generally the same, namely, first, attention getter, optional, second, information, and third, closure optional. 4. Language feature. Language feature of notice is form and characteristics. Characteristics are usually called linguistic feature. What are the linguistic feature? Good grammar or other grammar which are usually written in a notice. First, using imperative sentence, namely command sentence that begin with a verb or verb. Example, run, get out, listen. Second, using prohibitive form, namely prohibitive sentence in English. Example, don't, no, never. Fifth, type of notice. Type of notice. A. Command. Command sentences are used when you are telling someone to do something. Command usually start with an imperative verb, also known as possessive verb, because they tell someone to do something. Look at the example. Example: don't tell this. Leave this book. Burn this. Turn on this television. Turn off the lamp. Watering these flowers. Kiss your mom. Be happy. Don't sleep there. Don't ask me. B. Caution. A caution is a formal warning that is given to a person who has admitted the offense. It is usually used to remind person or reader to be more careful. Example: caution must require beyond this point. Attention please, watch your children. Caution, watch your step. Do not throw trash or paper towels in toilet. Notice this area under 24-hour video surveillance. C. Information. Information means giving information. Information notice provide or give information or material contained in the notice text to the readers or people. Example: nursing room, toilet, prayer room for pregnant women only. B. Prohibition. Prohibition is the action of prohibiting or inhibiting or forbidding or an instant they are of to do something. Therefore, people or readers are not allowed to do the things written in the notice. Example: no entry, no climbing, Do not use mobile telephone. No camera. No fishing. Don't be stingy. Don't steal. Don't forget. Don't be lazy. A. Warning. Warning usually refers to a message informing of danger. It can be in both written and spoken form. It is usually intended to make readers or people becoming aware about the danger condition near them. Example: don't use mobile phone while driving. Stay out of water. Corrosive: no food and drink allowed. Beware of wildlife. Danger high pressure testing area. Fifth question. Question 1. Warning. Check room. Keep out. What does the notice mean? A. We are allowed to enter the check room. B. We are not allowed to enter check room. C. Jack welcome us to enter to his room. D. Jack will be happy if we enter to his room. And the answer is B. We are not allowed to enter Jack's room. Question number 2. Let's maintain hygiene. Wash hands before and after eating. What is the notice about? A. An order to keep clean. B. An invitation to clean one's hands. C. An appeal to maintain hygiene. D. An appeal to have a clean environment. And the answer is B. An invitation to clean one's hands.
Thank you for listening. I hope what I have shared would be beneficial for all of us.